All right, today's the day. Picking up the new boat. We're out here at Tampa Bass Pro at the Tracker Boat Center.
Yeah, we're waiting to pick up your pink boat.
My pink boat. Hopefully they got it in the right color.
That's Amy's attire. There it is.
Here's the Pro Team 170, 175. That's what we need right here. This was the other option right here. They make this in a How much do you think that is, Tom? How much money?
30,000.
Huh?
No.
Huh? I'm thinking 80, 90, 116. That's 116,000.
117, rounded up.
This was the other one, Amy. This one right here.
No.
No. It's much wider. Much more deck space.
Storage area.
Yeah.
It's just wider.
We're doing this one right here.
That's cool, bud.
17 foot, all weld,
Hey, they cleaned it.
all aluminum.
Dirty as it was.
Yeah. All welded, all aluminum, foam filled so it can't sink.
Same motor, everything.
Yeah, it's got the Mercury 50 on it. We got the live well back here. Here's the cooler. The little tiny fish finder.
That GPS is huge. It's going to control that whole spot.
Yeah.
I'll go into financing if you guys want to walk around.
That's a big improvement over the one that you had.
Let's go see if the finance manager is available. This guy's picking up his too.
Yeah, he was the one right before you guys.
Nice. Congrats, guys.
Hey!
Maybe I'll see you out there, yeah.
You look like y'all got the same taste.
Right? That looks good.
You guys have any other questions on it?
No.
All right.
Nice new tracker. Center console. Doing a little final check. Make sure all my lights working. The people here did an awesome job. Financing went really easy. And this is me here. Nice. So, lights work. Trailer looks beautiful. Boat looks even better. Let's go with the Tacoma. Let's get a shot of it all together here. There we go.